My name is Amir, and I'm a Canadian journeyman electrician and journeyman plumber with over 12-year experience working in industry such as in oil field and a potash mine and in the food processing plant. So I was working from bottom to top in construction and as well as in electrical, plumbing, and I have delivered a lot of projects. So the project we have done today is a legal basement suite. So legal basement suites right in Mississauga that I have done. I believe this is one small project that I'm going to complete. It's pretty much done. My all inspections is gone through positive, and today I will explain you a little bit about this project, that how we started and we finish. So when we show up in this basement, that basement was illegal suite. That's when it was not approved. So like a secondary suite, it wasn't approved. They were using by themselves. So now, because in city they are required to be a legal basement suite, so I'm a professional and I pull a permit, I do inspection, and I come to your own place and design a project for you, draw it for you, and explain it for you. So what I was going to tell you, that this area, that area you see, it was a disaster. There was a big washroom, so we did some demo in that area. We did that washroom here, and also we did a small tiny kitchen. Now I'll explain you a little bit from that end. Let's go to the door here. Yeah, it's right here. So that is a legal basement door that we installed here, and these are the resilient channel. That's called a sound bar. So, and also we did a safe and sound. If you see here, there's a safe and sound. That means that if the sound is, if someone walking up, the sound will control. It won't come down. And we did like a heating system. You see that heating coming here. One hook up from the main plenum, and also there's a return air. It's must. So that return air is must in the legal basement suite. And here we did some laundry attached to it. Water supply here, and that's the electrical. It's not live, so this is electrical for your dryer, and that's your dryer vent going all the way down. We did that system here so that the moisture won't come. And we're gonna do some plumbing. That's must to put some control wall here. That's the city's requirement. And this is a small mechanical room, and we're turning into a laundry for the secondary basement suite. And I can show you here what we have done. This is a one big bedroom, that bedroom, and again, this is a legal window there. That's the fire code requirement, and resilient channel here. You can see, and also there's another air supply, the hot air supply here, and we put smoke detector. You see here. That is interconnected to the whole house. So if there is something wrong here, they can notify as well. And also, you must see this is a fire-rated wall. That's the 5/8 thick drywall. It's very heavy. That must be putting in this area. That area you can see, so that the sound will stay inside. And also, this drywall 5/8 we're gonna put in the ceiling, so that if something happened in the basement, I mean, if any fire happened, so that those the windows, if you can see those windows, so they can pull them out from there, and then fire won't go to the second floor. And also I can show you the kitchen. That's a tiny kitchen here. It's a very tiny kitchen, but you know what? We're not gonna cook all day. See that kitchen? This is gonna be a small kitchen, and also the sliders, one here, and light, and the smoke detector, and then this is a tiny washroom here. That's a tiny washroom we have done. You can see this is the small washroom. You know, they're not gonna take a shower all day because everyone is busy. And that's the separate area to the main house. So that we put a very thick drywall. Here is the fire rated, and then you see the resilient channel. We did it. This is the hallway all the way down. Okay. If you see, this is a cold room. Normally in all basement there is a cold room. So cold room will stay separately. And also if you see that panel room, this is a panel room here. We're gonna change this panel to a 200 amp. So we're gonna make this bigger. If you see, that's 100 amp. We'll make it a bigger panel. So this way, your electricity will be distributed. And we still have left quite a bit of work. And what we'll do when it's finally done, like a complete, we will, show you a final product. And we are doing this for a long time, as I said. And I'm owning a Strong Hands connection. And if we think that if we have any legal basement coming, or you are thinking to do any project in the row, you can call us. You can call me directly at my number 780-203-5512, and it's Samir first from stronghandsconnection.com. Thank you.